Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful but simple strategy that you can use to grow your small account on the boom and crash market. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I'm going to quickly share with you guys the indicator setup. Then after that, I'll be explaining how the strategy works. Okay, so first of all, you click on this F icon here. After clicking on that, we search for our stochastic, which is the first indicator we have here, right? So you click on the main window plus icon, you search for your stochastic oscillator. Now these are the properties. The period is 16, the D period is 1, slowing is 1, applied price field is close, right? Method is simple. The levels you have 85 and 15. Color red, 3 pixel, you click on done, right? Now the time frame is all time frame. The main under the star, you make it color blue, 3 pixel. The signal, the same thing, color blue, 3 pixel, you click on done. Right now we have moving average next, right? So you click on the indicator in the 1 plus icon, you search for your moving average, right? These are the properties. The period is 10, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to its close. The time frame is all time frame, style is color red, right? 3 pixel, you click on done. So this is the setting. All right, this is how simple it is to set. Okay, so before I explain how the strategy work, I want to quickly remind you guys about the powerful boom and crash strategy, the VIP strategy for growing as little as a $5 account. Okay, so if you're a beginner and you have been struggling in the market to grow your small account, I have a powerful strategy, a VIP strategy that will help you grow your small account. Okay, so if you are interested, you check the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Make sure to message me and we'll discuss on how you get the strategy. Okay, so that is that about that. All right, now how does this particular strategy work? This one right here. Now this is a very simple strategy, but it's very profitable. Okay, and this is how the strategy work. Okay, first of all, you want to allow this blue line here gets to the overbought level, and also the red here must also get to the overbought level. It must be above the 85 zone. All right, so once you see these two indicators at the overbought level, the next thing you want to wait for is a crossing. You wait for the blue to cross below the red. All right, so immediately it crosses, you pick your 5 candles. All right, you can pick 4 to be safe. All right, this is a very powerful strategy for scalping, and you can have multiple entries with this strategy. Okay, so immediately it crosses below the red, you go in for your 4 or 5 candles. All right, you count your candlestick 1 2 3 4 and you exit the market. Okay, this strategy is very effective. All right, make sure you follow the instructions and you are good to go. So you can see the crossing here again. All right, the two of them are at the overbought level. You wait for your crossing to happen here, and then you pick your 4 candles, you exit the market. All right, so that is how the strategy work. All right, so before you trade with the strategy, I want you guys to practice with it very well. Make sure it's working for you perfectly before you go in with your hard-earned money. Okay, so I think that is going to be all for this video. For the zoom level, you are going to zoom out completely. You zoom in 2 times, right? You zoom in 2 times and you are good to go. All right guys, so that is all for this one. So for those of you who are just coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. And to my returning viewers, you are all welcome back. All right, so I'll be closing the curtain here now. Before I go, for those of you who have not yet joined my Telegram channel, the link is in the description of this video. Make sure to join and your life will never remain the same. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Silva out.